chapter is the interior of the Earth. Our Earth is 4,500 to 5,000 billion years, and inside our Earth we have three layers: crust, mantle, and core. Mantle has also two layers: outer mantle, inner mantle. Core is also divided into two: outer and inner crust. And then in this class we have to know what is the interior of the Earth. What is by discovered by geologists and geographers. They said that it is made of shell, sigma, and NIFE. Shell stands for silicon, aluminium. In the crust it is shell, silicon, aluminium. In the crust it is made of sigma, silicon, magnesium, and core is made of nickel, and iron. And our Earth radius is about 6,370 kilometers. From deep search algorithm, how we will know that this silicon, aluminium, magnesium, and nickel, iron present? Due to they are doing project like direct source and indirect source. Indirect source, it is done by deep ocean drilling and volcanic eruption. During the drilling, when we drill an earth surface, and suppose we pick up some rocks or minerals, and by examining the laboratory, we will know that it contains silicon, aluminium, magnesium, iron, nickel, potassium, oxygen, etc. And in the direct sources consist of drilling and volcanic eruption. But from the volcanic eruption, when the solid magma exposed, from that magma also we can know about the inner content of the earth. And next is the indirect source. Indirect source: gravitation, magnetic field, and seismic activity and meteor. And from the meteorite, when they fall into earth, they will know that what's the constitution of the earth. And in the gravitational force, it's not the same at the different latitude of the earth. It is greater near the pole and lesser at the equator. This is because of by gravity anomaly also give about the gravity anomaly also give us about the uh, constituent or ingredient of the earth material. Magnetic survey also known about what is contained inside the earth. And next is earthquake. Earthquake is nothing but a trembling or shaking of the Earth's surface. This is due to the release of energy from the hypocenter. Above the hypocenter, there lies the focus. And earthquake is of four types. Two types: surface wave and body wave. In surface wave, it consists of P wave and S wave. In body wave, it consists of R wave and L wave. No, the most disaster is the P wave and the R wave. But we consider only P and S, body wave, that is the surface wave. P wave travels both through solid, liquid, and gases. They can penetrate all the three layers of the earth, but the S wave travel only the solid, and there exists a zone called shadow zone. Inside there is a zone called shadow zone in the Earth interior surface, which is where earthquake does not get range from 100 to 145 or sometimes 135 degrees. Since the S wave does not penetrate through the liquid and the outer core, that's why its shadow zone is less. Wherefore the P wave is somewhat vast. And in the crust crust is divided into two parts: continental crust and oceanic crust, OC and CC. Continental crust is thicker and have more denser than oceanic crust. During the inside the bottom of an ocean or a river, there is also a crust, but oceanic crust. Oh, sorry. During the oceanic crust, oceanic crust is thinner, whereas continental crust is thicker, and density one is 2.7 and one is 3, and below the crust just there lies the asthenosphere, which is a solid, which is a molten liquid. Above that, above that, it's a jelly-like structure, and above that the flat float or the crust is there, and after there is a discontinuity between the there is a discontinuity between there is a discontinuity outer core and outer crust, and outer crust and matter is discovered by by Lemon discontinuity, Rapidity discontinuity, and Lemon and Conrad, Lemon, Rapidity, and Mohorovic discontinuity. Mohorovic discontinuity separate the upper layer and the upper crust and the lower crust separated by Mohorovic, and outer end by Conrad and Rapidity and Lemon. Before there is a boundary between there is there is there is a boundary between the three type of layer. The three type of layer is divided into 6 subdivision. During the sixth subdivision, the three layer has boundary or layer known as the Mohorovic, Conrad, Rapidity, and Lemon. This is about the division of the crust, and next is the volcano. Volcano is we all know about volcano since our school time. We studied volcano. In volcano, the magma or the magma or the fissure are pushed up from the inner core of the earth to the outer part, and then in this magma is formed by pyroclastic as sulfuric acid, dust, material, gases, and magma is of two types: acidic magma and basidic magma. Acidic magma, less silicon is there, and basic magma there are certain volcanic landform. When the volcanic in the volcanic landform there are some intrusive landform. In the intrusive landform there are and batholith, laccolith, pacholith, and